Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to log out of a Gmail app on iPhone or iPad. So first of all, as you can see, this is the basically a Gmail app, Google Mail application inside your inside the iPhone. So just open the Gmail account, and once you open the Gmail account, so you will see an interface like this one. So on the upper right corner, you will see basically an email icon. So just click on it. So once you see this interface, just scroll down, and at the end you will see these two options: add another account and manage accounts on this device. Just click on manage accounts on this device, and once you click here, as you can see, the first email is that is being currently used. So just click on remove from this device and just click on remove. As you can see, it has been removed completely. But let's say that if you want to remove from the mail application of the iPhone, to do this, just go into the settings and just go inside the apps. And inside the apps, you just need to find the application called mail. And once you find the mail application, so you will see basically mail accounts, which is the first option. Just open it. As you can see, like I have the current email account associated with my account. So just open, click it, and from here you can just directly click on delete account. Once you click on delete account, so that will also be removed from the Apple mail. So that's a simple and easy process of how you can do it.